I am up bright and early this morning for not really any particular reason. I am having a day off from the gym today, which means I don't necessarily need to go into town for anything for the first time in a while. My gym is in town, so every time I go to the gym I have to go all the way into town, which isn't the most convenient sometimes, but I'm glad it gets me up and out of the house. My camera did die as well while I was doing my makeup, so I just let it charge while I finished up. I was looking at my recent videos and realised it's been a while since I've done just a regular vlog. I've been doing a lot of routine focused videos, travel videos, hauls, and I haven't actually done a vlog, so I really wanted to do one in today's video. Also, I have to address the elephant in the room. I'm fully aware that my bed is decorated for autumn. I'm ahead of the season with my autumn content at the moment, and it's been doing really well. You guys have been loving it over on TikTok, YouTube Shorts. I'm going to be creating a lot more of it from now on, so having my bed ready to film makes sense. Even though I know it's July, but if you guys know me, you guys know how much I love the season. Basically my favourite time of year. It's cozy season, it's Gilmore Girls season. Gilmore Girls is my favourite show. It's also my birthday. Also weirdly feels like a fresh start. I have some PR packages coming in the next 2 days, so when those arrive I'm going to do a PR haul in this video. What my plan is this morning is to go make some breakfast, do some planning and scheduling, because I've got content I want to film, plan a range of YouTube videos, and also I've got some laundry I need to fold and put away. I've been looking at iced coffee recipes because I love my coffee. I want to try something new because I wanted to make an iced banana latte. Let's head downstairs. I'm super hungry. I'm probably going to make some eggs this morning. Do a haul in this video, as I was thinking about if I was to include this in any other video. I don't feel like it would fit with the concept, as I know this video is romanticizing autumn in July, because it may be July, but let's be real, it low-key feels a little bit like September. I wanted to show you guys some autumnal things that I am putting into my wardrobe ahead of the season, ahead of trends. They're too good and I really want to show you guys. So the first thing I actually bought from Vinted was this brown Brandy Melville bag that I've wanted for the longest time. I have had this on my Pinterest board. Every time I pin an autumnal outfit, this bag in particular is always in those photos, and I saw it on Vinted. It was only £7. She is very cute. It's got 2 gold hoops on each side, a gold zip, and also I just love the feel of this bag. It's super spacious inside as well. A really good everyday purse. I wanted to buy the UGG trainers last autumn, last winter in general. They sold out. Like, you could not find a pair of these shoes unless they were like £200 plus, because everything was sold out on UGG, in size, Foot Asylum, Foot Locker, you name it. These were sold out. I wanted these shoes so badly. I literally love them. They've got these really nice chunky laces. They're so snug. I love Uggs. Bought these on Vinted, brand new, UGG receipt and everything, for £75. I saved £65. So I'm very happy about these. I'm so excited to wear these and style them. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Next up, I have a pajama set. This one I just bought from Primark last week when I was in there. I thought the colours are gorgeous. This is basically what the top looks like. It's just a pajama vest. It's got some pretty lace on it, brown and white striped tank. The set came with the matching shorts as well. Very cute, got the lace, got some buttons on them. Another thrift find. I had my eye on the knit Sisters and Seekers hoodie that you guys have seen me wear in this video. I actually thrifted this again for £15, which is so good. It's in really good condition. It's practically brand new. Yeah, this was also a really good thrift find. I got this in an XL as well. It's super oversized. If anything, it could be a little bit too big. Actually, looking at all of this, the only thing that's brand new are the Primark pajamas and this coat from Sisters and Seekers. Literally obsessed. This is so cute. It's very thick, so I cannot be wearing this right now because it's boiling. Whenever it's cold outside, I usually gravitate towards my trench coats or leather jacket at the beginning of the season. I basically found this one on Sisters and Seekers. This is a sale items. I got this for £35, down from 70 5. This is gorgeous. This is the stray textured biker jacket in brown, and it's this really nice like Borg material again. It's that teddy. It's got this button on the neck. I did do an unboxing of this over on TikTok, but it's so snug, it's so warm, big enough to be able to wear like layers underneath. So getting the biggest size they had was kind of a blessing in disguise, even though it feels ginormous on me. Guys, it's literally huge. Those are all of the things that I want to show you guys in the portion of today's video. I got everything from Vinted. I actually saved a lot of money, and you don't always need to buy things brand new to be cute, stylish. Vinted has so many good things. I've bought so many of my favorite items from Vinted. Sometimes you can find stuff that's literally brand new. I found so many of my Skims core pieces on Vinted, and they're in such good condition. It's just like recycling, getting the most out of your money, and you don't always need to spend more to get the best. You can find the same items for a better price. With that out of the way, let's get back to the video. I just finished having breakfast not too long ago. I did just put my hair up because it is insanely hot today. However, we are going to be making some cinnamon rolls today. I made these last year in August when I was low-key in a bit of an autumnal mood. Really have been wanting it to be September already, and I get in this mood every single summer at one point or another, and I am in that mood filming this video. I went to M&S and I got the cinnamon bun mix. These are so good. I actually made the cookie dough ones a few weeks ago, and I made them and they were insane. So I've got no doubt that these won't be amazing as well. Also, I was going through our mugs and I managed to find my Hello Pumpkin one. She is from TK Maxx. Very cute. I did in fact buy her in July 2 years ago. Haters gonna hate, but I'm such an autumn person. Like, I love the season so much. Primark, TK Maxx have come out with loads of their autumn stuff now. Picked up this candle the other day from Primark and it is unreal. Let's make some cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited.